Good afternoon, sir. This is my video presentation. My topic is auditing mobile application. So, mobile applications need to be audited with the goal of uncovering vulnerabilities. Mobile applications, Android, iOS, or other platforms can be analyzed using static or dynamic techniques. Static analysis is conducted by employing certain text or string based searches across decompiled source code. So these vulnerabilities in most cases are the result of bad programming practices or insecure coding techniques, or maybe because of purposefully injected bad code. So, auditing Android apps using static analysis. So, static analysis is the most commonly and easily applied analysis method in source code audits. Static, by definition, means something that is constant. Static analysis is conducted on the static code that is raw or decompiled source code or on the compiled object code, but the analysis is conducted without the runtime. So in most cases, analysis becomes code and analysis by static string searches. It is a very common scenario to figure out vulnerable or insecure code patterns. So, getting ready. For conducting static analysis of Android application, we at least need one Android application and a static code scanner. Pick up any Android application of your choice and use any static analyzer tool of your choice. So, we also use Insecure Bank, which is vulnerable Android application for Android security enthusiasts. We will also use ScriptDroid, which is a static analysis script. And how to do it is to perform the following step. First, you need to download the latest version of the Insecure Bank application from GitHub, decompress or unzip the APK file, and note the path of the unzip application. So the second is create a this one create a scriptdroid.bat file by using the following code, this one. Then how it works. So go to the command prompt and navigate to the path where scriptdroid is placed. So run the .bat file and it prompts you to input the path of the application for which you wish to perform static analysis. So in our case, we provide it with the path of the insecure bank, as I said lately. Insecure bank application. So if everything worked correctly, the screen should look like the following, like this one. So the script generates a folder by the name output in the path where the Java files of the application are present. So the output folder contains multiple text files, each one corresponding to a particular vulnerability. So individual text files pinpoint the location of vulnerable code pertaining to the vulnerability under discussion. There's more. The current recipe used to use just ScriptDroid, but there are many other options available. You can either choose to write your own script or you may use one of the free or commercial tools. So a few commercial tools have Poinerd, the static analysis approach over the years via their dedicated focus. So, so editing Android apps are using dynamic analyzer. So, dynamic analysis is another technique applied in source code audits. Dynamic analysis also conducted in runtime. The application is run or simulated and the flaws or vulnerabilities are discovered while the application is running. Also can be tricky, especially in the case of mobile platforms. So, so it changes also the whole game in such cases by revealing the hard-coded data being sent out in request, which is otherwise not readable in static analysis. So, how are you getting ready? For conducting dynamic analysis of Android application, so we at least need one Android application and a dynamic code analyzer tool. So the dynamic analyzer tool can be classified under there are two categories. First is the tools which run from computers and connect to an Android device or emulator to conduct dynamic analysis. The second one is the tools that can run on the Android device itself. So we choose a tool belonging to the latter category. And how to do it is this is the following steps that you need to perform for conducting dynamic analysis. We have three. So first is have an Android device with applications to be analyzed dynamically installed. So go to the Play Store and download Andrabes. Andrabes is a tool from ESIC Labs which runs on Android devices and conducts static, dynamic, and URL analysis on the installed applications. We will use it for dynamic analysis only in this site. So open the open the Andrabes application on your Android device. It displays the application installed on the Android device and analyze the application. So how it works? Open the analysis of the application in your interest. And then Android computes the overall Mali score out of for example, out of 10 for the application and gives the color icon in front of the of its main screen to reflect the vulnerable application. So we selected an orange colored application to make more sense with this receipt. This is how the application summary and score is shown in Android. This one. Did you see this picture? uh, there is analysis result here, and as you can see there's a general info, static analysis, dynamic analysis, and URL analysis. So analysis result is this, it is has been successful. Then let us navigate the dynamic analysis tab and check the result. This one, the dynamic analysis. This the this is the output of the dynamic analysis report. So there's more. Mm, the current receipt used a dynamic analyzer belonging to the latter category. So there are many other tools available in the former category. Since this is an Android platform, many of them are open source tools. Wait, that's all. Thank